Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out has been going to a guy named Skymaster, currently has 70 subscribers, and if you go to his About section right here, you can see that he uploads gaming, magic, and just random stuff. So guys, go subscribe to him, and now let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be counting down the top 5 reasons that PC gaming is better than console gaming. And so without further ado, let's hop into the number 1. Number 1, I'm going to put it on screen as well, is that PC gaming has the ability to be cheaper in many ways and such, because the reason is that when buying hardware for PC, you determine the price that you want to pay. When it comes to console, Xboxes and PlayStations are at a set price, usually $300 to $400 each. And with PC, you determine how much you want to pay, and that determines the quality of your actual gaming experience. So it can be cheaper. Okay, so the second reason PCs are better when it comes to gaming is because of upgradability and customizability, in the sense that when you're getting a PC, that PC is not it's not running at the same specs throughout its whole life cycle like an Xbox or PS4. You can upgrade the RAM, the hard drive space, the SSD, graphics card, especially graphics. When you upgrade a graphics card, your performance will be much improved, and you cannot do this on console. Okay, so the third one I'm going to be explaining is basically the library of games that comes with PC. And the main thing here is that PC titles, there are like millions of them. These can stretch from all the way from indie games to AAA titles. You can find many games on like the Steam library. There's like a gazillion games on there, and there's many other sort of like online game stores that you can download games from. You can basically get any game you want on PC, and many times on console, or there'll be PC games that are just not available on console. Okay, so the fourth reason is mod support. This is specifically if you want to modify the game in any way. This can only be done on PC. An example of this is like custom zombies in Call of Duty, if any of you have heard of that. Basically, people can go in, mods, and create their own custom maps and stuff using the tools provided in the actual PC game, and they can be creative with their designs, and it overall makes games last longer because mod support allows more content to be made by the community. Okay, so the last, and I think the most important reason why PC gaming is better than console gaming is just the simple fact of better graphics in general. That's one of the most debated topics when it comes to consoles versus PC, and the fact of the matter is that since as I mentioned earlier, that PCs are upgradable, and the hardware is so much more customizable when it comes to PCs, you can spend like up to like, well, actually an infinite amount of money, but if you're paying like $5,000 for a PC, like the graphics are going to be insane. If you can buy a 4K TV to go along with that, and the PC can run that game at 4K, it honestly just looks amazing, and you can go into dive deep into settings to customize how the game, how you want it to look specifically, and just the fact that you can spend as much money as you want on a PC when it comes to graphics. It's basically the sky's the limit, and when it comes to consoles, you're stuck with what you get. You can't upgrade it. What you see is what you get, and only recently are consoles been able to do 4K gaming, and it's only a slim amount of games that support it right now, and only the Xbox One X can really do native 4K gaming. Probably in the future consoles will catch up to PCs, but right now PCs just have much more processing power than consoles in general, and this is the main dividing factor when it comes to PCs being better than consoles. So guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your comments down below and your opinion on this subject matter. Let me know any videos you want me to create in the future. If you guys want that shout out that I include in every video, just subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, and use my Fortnite supporter creator code in the item shop. That's simple. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.